So I just wanted to show you real quick how I made a song that really unlocked the soul of the scene I'm working on for my novel. So here are the lyrics that I wrote for the song, which by the way is inspired by what happened when I first met Mace at this concrete batch plant. I was literally thinking, what is she doing here? This place is not for a girl. Because here, I'll show you how the place looked like. Okay, so this is an actual photo of the place. Here's another photo. Maybe I'm crazy, but I wouldn't expect a girl to want to work here. So anyways, I went to this website called AI Songmaker and I made an account. You can make an account for free, but you wouldn't be able to download the music that you make with the free account. You can generate it, but you can't download it. I chose the lowest subscription tier, which is $10 a month, to be able to download the music files as MP3. Then I copied my original lyrics right here and you place them right here. For the title, I chose The Grind and the Glimmer, which is the title of the first chapter of my novel. And for the styles, I chose pop music, some rock, and indie style. And for the vibe, I want romantic. The tempo is medium. And for the instruments, I left it blank. I didn't choose anything. But you can also write stuff like I wrote 80s music. You can also exclude styles. And for this weirdness here, you have to have a higher subscription tier. But for me, it's okay. I don't want it. I just chose the male voice and you hit generate. And it costs you 10 credit and it will do 2 versions for you. And after playing around, I used one in the short video that I made when I was coloring the scene, and the other one I'm gonna play it in few seconds, but first you download it as MP3 file. I want to ask you guys what you think about using AI this way. Does it enhance the project or do you think it takes away from the project? Because I know there's a huge debate about using AI nowadays. I think if you use it to add to your creativity while still keeping your personal touch is not a bad thing. Whereas when you completely replace your creativity with AI, that's when it becomes bad. So in my case, for example, if I let AI come up with the idea of the song, write the lyrics for me, and then make it into a song, then the whole thing is completely AI, and I think it would be pretty meaningless in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think about using AI this way. Without further ado, here's the song.
When I saw her first, I thought, what is she doing here? This place is not for a girl. It's a concrete batch plant, for God's sake, what can she do? She's too young, too beautiful, and too delicate for this dusty, greasy place. Part of me didn't mind it, no part of me was pleased. Something about her pulled me, and my worried mind was eased. Saw her first, I thought, what is she doing here? This place is not for a girl. It's a concrete batch plant, for God's sake, what can she do? She's too young, too beautiful, and too delicate for this dusty, greasy place. Part of me didn't mind it, no part of me was pleased. Something about her pulled me, and my worried mind was eased.